How do I know if my Whirlpool refrigerator compressor needs to be reset?
Hello, viewers. Today, we'll discuss a common issue many homeowners face, determining if your Whirlpool refrigerator compressor needs a reset. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify the signs of a malfunctioning compressor and learn how to reset it.
What is a compressor?
The compressor is the heart of your refrigerator. It circulates the refrigerant, which helps in cooling down the interior of your fridge. If it malfunctions, your refrigerator's performance might drop significantly.
Common signs your compressor might need a reset.
1. Warm refrigerator interior. If the insides of your fridge are not as cold as they should be, this could indicate a compressor problem. 2. Hearing strange noises. Unusual humming or clicking sounds coming from the back might suggest an issue with the compressor. 3. Fridge is constantly running. If your refrigerator is constantly running without cycling off, the compressor might be struggling to maintain the right temperature.
How to reset the compressor?
1. Unplug the refrigerator. Always start by unplugging your fridge from the power source. This ensures safety. 2. Locate the compressor. This is usually situated at the back or bottom of the fridge. 3. Press the reset button. Some Whirlpool models have a visible reset button. If yours does, press it. 4. Plug the refrigerator back in. Once done, plug your fridge back into the power source. 5. Monitor for a few hours. It's crucial to monitor your refrigerator for the next few hours. Ensure that the temperature drops and the noises stop. Note, not all Whirlpool refrigerators have an easily accessible reset button. If you can't find one, it might be best to consult the user manual or contact a professional.
When should I contact a professional?
If after attempting a reset, the fridge remains warm, unusual noises continue, there are noticeable performance drops, it's time to call a professional. This could indicate a more severe issue that needs expert attention. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide assists you in troubleshooting and potentially resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator compressor. Always remember, when in doubt, it's better to consult with a professional to ensure your refrigerator remains in tip-top shape. Stay cool.